Selena Gomez is known for her glowing, natural skin, but is her skincare routine really that special? I took a deep dive into her beauty secrets, her favorite products, and tested her exact routine to find out if it's actually worth trying. Spoiler alert, it's not what I expected. Let's break it down. Selena's skincare philosophy is all about simplicity and hydration, with a focus on gentle ingredients that protect her skin barrier. Here's what her routine looks like. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. Selena starts with a fragrance-free, hydrating cleanser to remove dirt and oil without irritation. One of her go-tos is Tatcha, the rice wash, known for its soft, creamy texture that leaves skin feeling plump and clean. Step 2. Hydrating toner or mist. Selena swears by the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, a refreshing mist that's packed with antioxidants to brighten and calm the skin. Step 3. Vitamin C serum. For glowing skin, Selena applies a vitamin C serum to improve texture and boost radiance. Products like the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic are rumored to be in her rotation. Step 4. Lightweight moisturizer. Selena's go-to moisturizer is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, perfect for intense hydration and that signature dewy finish. Step 5. SPF. Unlike some celebs, Selena's actually dedicated to daily sun protection. She's a big fan of the Supergoop unseen sunscreen, known for its smooth, invisible finish that works well under makeup. On top of this, Selena often keeps her routine flexible. Less is more when her skin's feeling sensitive. Now, let's break down the science behind her skincare routine and whether it's actually worth copying. Gentle cleanser. A great choice for dry or sensitive skin. Keeping things simple avoids irritation. A smart move for someone like Selena, who has lupus and needs to be extra gentle with her skin. Caudalie Beauty Elixir. While it's refreshing, it's more of a luxury step than an essential one. It feels amazing, but don't expect major skin transformations from this alone. Vitamin C serum. This is a must-have step for anyone chasing that radiant glow. Selena's choice is smart. Vitamin C helps fade dark spots, boosts collagen, and protects against environmental damage. Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Excellent for dry or combination skin, but may feel too heavy for oily skin types. It's packed with hyaluronic acid and antioxidants, giving that fresh, plump look Selena's famous for. Supergoop. Unseen sunscreen. Fantastic SPF choice. Lightweight, invisible, and makeup-friendly. This is arguably one of the best sunscreen picks among celebrity routines. Verdict. Selena's routine is simple, effective, and focuses on hydration. But if you struggle with acne, aging concerns, or uneven texture, you'll likely need additional products to tackle those issues. So, is Selena Gomez's skincare routine actually worth copying? If you have dry or sensitive skin, her routine makes total sense. Yiso indust. Gentle, nourishing, and easy to follow. But if you're dealing with oily skin, breakouts, or pigmentation, this routine may feel too minimal for your needs. One thing Selena's doing right? Consistency. Her products are simple, but by sticking to them daily, she's maintaining that healthy, glowing skin. Have you tried any of Selena's favorite skincare products? Did they live up to the hype? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay glowing.